G'day YouTube. Today we're going to look at the basic setup of Google Drive. Google Drive is a file storage and sync tool by Google. This allows you to store pictures and documents in online storage and synchronize these files to multiple different devices such as a Windows PC, Android device, or an iPhone. The bonus is that this service is free for up to 15 GB of user data. Google also offers other paid packages for larger volume of files from 100 GB to 30 TB. The details of these packages are online at one.google.com. While there are multiple ways to use Google Drive, you can simply set up the software or app on your laptop or desktop PC and have it back up your data automatically. So how do you get it? If you already have a Google account, then you already have access to it. If you don't have a Google or a Gmail account, follow these steps to set up a new account. On your Windows PC, open your browser of choice. In this video, I'm using Firefox. Type in www.google.com. In the top right-hand corner, click Sign In. On this screen, because you don't have an account, click Create Account, and then choose For Myself. Fill in your first and last name and create a username. Remember, this is going to be your public-facing email address people can contact you at, so keep it clean. Create and enter a long and strong password that would be hard to guess or hack. I would recommend at least 12 characters if you can. This can be done easily by joining multiple words that don't normally go together. For example, orange horse computer 18. If the email address you choose is not available or the password is not strong or long enough, you'll get a message that indicates this is wrong. Once you've sorted these errors out, you'll be able to continue. On the next screen, you can enter a secondary email address or a phone number to be able to recover your account. You can also enter your date of birth and gender. When you're happy with what you've got here, click Next to continue. The following screen has the Google privacy and terms. Read through these, scroll to the bottom, and click I agree to continue. So if you already have an account or you've just finished creating one, on this main Google page, make sure you're signed in, then go to the menu in the top right hand corner and choose Drive. This page is the main online page for Google Drive. This will have a copy of any files that you've synchronized or backed up, or any files you've created online in Google Drive. As we said, for this example, I'm going to show you how to set up a basic backup for your desktop PC or laptop. To install Backup and Sync from Google, go to the settings in the top right-hand corner and choose Get Backup and Sync for Windows. On the left-hand side of this page, choose Download under Personal. Select Agree and Download. After a few seconds, the software is downloaded and you can run the installation. After a few more seconds, when the installation is completed, you can select Close. At this stage, you can close your browser and the Backup and Sync setup wizard should be on the screen. Click Get Started. The first step is to sign in with your Google account. Click Got It. With this example, I'm using the installation defaults, but you can also set up other folders on your computer to back up by clicking Choose Folder and browsing for them. Click Next when done. On the next screen, you can set it up to sync back to your PC the files that already exist in Google Drive. As this is a new account and there's no files in Google Drive, I'll just use the default settings and click Start. With the settings I've chosen, Backup and Sync will start backing up the files in Pictures, Documents and the desktop folder. Depending on how much data you have in these locations, it may take some time to complete. You will notice that as files sync back to Google Drive, the file icon will change from 2 arrows to a green tick to identify it is completed. Once you think it is done, you can confirm that the files are synchronized by Google Drive by logging back into Google Drive via your browser and viewing the files in there. As you can see in this example, you can see that under Computers, My Laptop, Documents, the 2 documents that were on my computer have now been synchronized completely to Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Remember to subscribe. I'll put any links that I've used in this video in the description of the video. Thank you.